Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create QR code for Google Maps location. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you have to open your Google Maps application on your mobile phone and pick a location you want to create a QR code. For instance, I'm just going to pick random location and we have to copy the link of this Google Maps location. Just click on share and then click on copy to clipboard. And after that, we're going to use the Canva application to create the QR code. Make sure you have downloaded and installed this Canva application on your mobile phone. And right after you install this application, you can create a design. Click on this plus button and choose the ratio you want to use. I'm going to select this square ratio. And then after the design has been created, we can go to the apps option. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find this apps option and search for the QR code apps. Just type in QR code like this. Right, and here there will be a couple of options and you can choose this one, QR code, and you can enter the link that you have copied to clipboard, this one, and we just need to click on generate code. Okay, and just hold on guys, and we can go back to our design, and as you can see that the QR code has been created, and we can zoom in or zoom out like this, and you can adjust the position. Once you're ready to save this QR code, you can click on this icon to save it to your device. I'm just going to save it as an image on my device. Alright guys, and that's how we can create QR code for Google Maps location. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.